We've been hunting Xenomorph strains for many years in order to develop the ultimate weapons for the next war. And to that end, we travel to the world of Zeevan, a lush jungle world where the Xenomorphs have set up a hive. It's the residents of that hive that are the subjects of this briefing. As always, subscribing to this channel will grant you access to all the data files concerning the Xenomorph and its many variations. A natural strain of Xenomorph, the gorilla alien has the atypical physical characteristics of its host, those being longer, stronger arms, stunted, shortened legs, and a far more spiked tail. The gorilla alien does possess the standard Xenomorph traits, like an exoskeleton and an inner jaw, but it's the coloration of the alien and its ability to spit acid that makes it a desirable subject for research. The varied colours of the exoskeleton make it harder to spot in the lush jungles of Zeevan, with it being a mix of blues, purples and greys, all colours present in the jungle. This coloration breaks up the outline of the Xenomorph when it's hiding. This makes it harder for visual systems to detect the Xenomorph. Unlike its primate host, the gorilla alien is a carnivore, which is in line with the main Xenomorph species. This is unlike its host, which has been observed as being omnivorous and has been found eating fruits and, when available, scavenging meat. The gorilla alien's behaviour is reminiscent of its host, as they have been observed moving in family-like groups when in the jungle. This behaviour is trumped, however, by orders given to them by their Xenomorph queen. The hive organisation is assumed to be nearly identical as the normal strains of Xenomorph, as several encounters have been had between the colonial marines and the gorilla aliens. During these encounters, observations have shown the presence of a queen gorilla alien variant, and a number of praetorian guard gorilla aliens. With the exception of the queen, all members of the hive have longer arms and stunted legs. The queen gorilla alien is a unique creature even within the variant's gene line. She, unlike her drones, has 4 fully developed arms, as well as 2 smaller arms located on her chest. This genetic trait is taken from the host animals of Zeevan, which are 4-armed gorilla-like primates. It's unknown why this clearly advantageous genetic trait hasn't been passed down to her offspring, but further research is being conducted even as we speak. In summary, this variant of the Xenomorph is another example of how the Xenomorph species will adapt to their environments. It also showcases that some genetic advantages are not always shared between the different types of Xenomorph within the same genetic line. As always, any information gathered on this fascinating subspecies of the Xenomorph will prove useful in our eventual taming and exploiting of the Xenomorph species in general. Thank you for watching. As always, subscribing will grant you clearance to all data files concerning the Xenomorph species and its many variants. This is Wayland Jutani, R&D, signing off.